In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to make an AI cover song. If you haven't heard of AI cover before, it involves cloning the voice of an artist or character and then create cover versions of popular songs using the cloned voice. I will guide you through the process of using a pre-existing model, and then I'm also going to show you how to create your own voice model. When you want to use the voice of an artist, you have to consider copyright, so ask for permission, do not use it for commercial purposes, and stay out of trouble. So we're going to use this Google Colab. By the way, you have all the links in the description. You click on this play button and then run anyway. The Google Colab gives us the resources to use this AI without needing a powerful computer. When you see the public URL on the screen, you can open it in a new tab and then just keep both tabs running. Head over to the new tab. Here you're gonna see that we are using the RVC AI model, and we have interface, download model, and train. First, we are going to use some models created by other people. I'm using two public libraries, one from Hugging Face and one from a Google Sheet. On Hugging Face, you have to search for RVC models, so you can Control F or Command F on Mac, and you can type RVC here and you can use all these models. And then in the Google Sheet you have to use the RVC V2 model. I will recommend you, but if you want you can use the RVC V1. In Google Sheet you have the download link here, and in Hugging Face you have to click on any model and then download from here. Once you've downloaded the model, you have to upload it on Google Drive. Click on the file and then click on this information button. Here you have to click on manage access and then change the access here to anyone with the link. Copy the link and then we go back to the RVC tab. Here we paste the link that we just copied. We can name it whatever we want, and then we can click on download. Once the process is finished, we have this success message and we go back in the interface. Here we click on refresh and we have the model here. Now we need to download the song for our AI model to sing. You can use any YouTube downloader. I'm going to use this tool. Paste the YouTube link here and then click on this download button. We need only the a cappella voice, so we're going to use another tool to do that. We have two free options to do this one. We have X-Pro or vocalremover.org. We can upload our file here and we can save the vocals by clicking the save button and then just click on the vocal. You can also save the music for later. We head back to the RVC model and we upload here the cover vocals. We wait to upload. Now that we have the download button, we have to make sure that here we have the same name of the cover song, and then we click on convert. And here you have the new cover with the model voice on top of your a cappella audio. I'm not gonna play it for copyright reasons, but you can download it by clicking here and then download. In your download folder you should have the new audio and the music that you've downloaded before. You can now head over to your editing software. I'm gonna use Capcut in this situation, and you can drag your audio and your new cover. You can export it by clicking here and then you can just export audio, and now you can play your new original cover. Okay, let's also find out how you can train your own model with any voice that you like. We're going to use the same tools as before, but please pay attention because every step is very important. So we are going back to our RVC AI model and we are going from interface to train. Here you can name your model, and then we need some data sets to train our model. So we are going to use again the YouTube downloader, and then we are going to strip the vocals again with the same tools. After we have our vocals downloaded, we can import them just here. We are waiting for them to be uploaded. Our vocals are uploaded, and you can see here, and we click on the process the data set. The process is started, and again don't forget that you need both tabs open. The process just ended, and then we need to extract the pitch. I will recommend you to just leave these settings as default, but you can play with them after you tried a couple of times and maybe you're not satisfied with the result. So click on the pitch extraction. Here it's gonna take a couple of minutes, so be patient. You can find out when the process is done by just looking in the first tab, and when you see all feature done, that means that it's Done. We are going back in the RVC model and we move on to the third step. Here we have a number 250. This is the total number of trainings that our voice is gonna be trained on. So you can go higher, but I will not recommend you more than 1000 because it will take like maybe a couple of days. When you live with 250, it will take maybe 3-4 hours, and for this tutorial I will just use one just to see how it works, but leave it at 250 and then you go on train model. When you see this line with added index, you can move on to the next step and you can just click on the download model, and now you have two files here. You need to download both of them. Once you have your both files, you need to zip them together. So send to compress zip folder. You can give it a name, and then again we are using Google Drive, so you need to upload your new file here. You click on your file again, you go to manage access, anyone with the link, copy link, done. And now we are going back to the RVC model and again to the download model. We are pasting our link here. We are naming file and click download. Success again. So we are going back to interface and here we click on the refresh button and we choose our new model. Here it is. And then we are doing the same step as before by uploading our vocals that we want to replicate. So click here and then just upload your vocals, wait a bit and check here to have the same name of our file for vocals. If not, you can click on refresh and choose here and then just convert. And now we have our very own cover with the model that we've just trained. You can use again Capcut to mix the vocals that we've just created with the music that we've downloaded before. Again, I'm not gonna play the final result for the copyright reason, but go ahead, just follow my steps and you'll be amazed by the result that you get. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to find out about the newest AI tools that you can use for free right now, check out this video next.